ito naman, nandito naman tayo para tignan itong ating bagong terminal. We will go, after this, we will go to the old building, which was the old terminal before, na tinanong ko sa lahat ng tao dito, hindi alam na kung kailan pa ginawa, pero 60s daw. Kaya kailangan ng baguhin. So, that's what we have done here. This is now going to be the standard design for our terminals, for our ports around the country. And the reason it's important to have a standard design so that ang tao, ang pasahero, kahit saan sumasakay, saan bumababa, alam nila kung saan bibili ng ticket, alam saan mag-aantay, saan papasok, saan sila dadaan, all of that. And that's why we are hoping the original traffic dito was 50, kaya ng old building. Yung old building kaya mag-process ng 50 passengers at any one time. Ngayon, ang capacity ngayon nito is 500 passengers. Kaya malaking bagay at saka nakita naman ninyo, iba na talaga pagka maayos at maaliwalas at make the traveling experience para sa ating mga kababayan a little more pleasant. So now we will go to the end of the pier. Titignan natin yung old building kung anong dapat gawin. Thank you very much.